Okay, so some of you asked me about how to actually filter out or clip the data set. And in this example, I'll show you the mesh blocks data set that has been split by Brian to the level of SA4, and the same apply to any of the other data sets, so you can apply the same method. So the first thing we can do is really just upload the data set, and I'll just pick one of them. I think it was SA4 1-to-1, which is representing North Sydney and Hornsby area. Okay, and we'll just upload this into ArcGIS Online. So once we uploaded this data set, I think I'll just save it into the assignment folder. I think assignment 2, yeah, that's fine. And we'll just upload this SA4. So this is obviously a reduced size. So you need to pick the one based on the Excel file that Brian provided. Depends which area, which toad you are actually working on. So for example, this one will cover the area of Chestwood, if that's the area that you're going to focus, okay? So look on that Excel file. Now, once this data has been uploaded, what I can do further is actually filter out the data based on a very similar method of what we've done yesterday in step 9 and 10 in our tutorial. So in the next step, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so the data has been uploaded, and you see that by default it was color coded by SA2, which is very convenient in this case. If it's not the case, you can change it to SA2 if you like, and then just done. You can obviously go into other levels if that is required. So what I want to do next is essentially applying a filter. So I'm going into the filter, and in this case, I will select the SA2 field. Obviously, you can take any of the other fields, so you can filter out by any other field if you like. And then I will select the SA2 underscore name. And once I do that, I can see the list that is included for all the other SA2s within this area. And let's say that in this example, I want to work with Chestwood East, and I can obviously select, I can add other expression, so I can have multiple selection if that's the case. Let's say that I also want to have Chestwood West, so I'll add another expression. And I will go into SA2 again, and in this case, I will pick Chestwood West, and I will select here, very important, display feature in the layer that match any of the following expressions. So that means both of these areas will be selected and the other ones will be filtered out. I will apply this filter. So now once this filter takes the effect, then this will filter out all the other areas. And all right, so we have the layers now uploaded, and you can see by default the SA2s have been colored. And now the next stage is essentially just to see that it's all filtered out. I'm going to repeat that by the area of our focus. So again, back to the filter, and I'm let's say that I'm going to work on the area of Chestwood. So I'm going to select this from the list. So let's say West, I'll add another expression, and I'll select the SA2 for this time for East, Chestwood East, and I will apply the filter. And once I apply the filter, as you can see, all other areas are essentially, just let it. So as you can see, all the two SA2s that I've selected in the filter are now appear, and the rest of the areas are actually disappeared, and we don't see them in the map. So the same technique could be used for any other fields, for any other of the data set. This is just to reduce the data set that you work with in the context of your project. One thing just to remind you, when you do the filter, and if you're actually using multiple filters, you need to ensure that the second option is selected. Okay, display feature in the layer that match off any of the following expression. Okay, so this is really important. If you don't pick this one, then it's very likely you will see everything disappear because there will be none object that will meet that condition. So just be aware of that. So good luck with the assignment. If you have any question, you are very welcome to send me an email or to Brian, and we'll try to help you as best as we can. Thank you very much.